The progressive tenses. Nowadays, we call the progressive tense the continuous tense. We didn't in my day many years ago. But anyway, it's the same tense. Present progressive, present continuous, same thing. The beautiful thing about the progressive continuous tenses is that it is the twin of Spanish. If the students know the verb to be, and if they understand that what the gerund is, gerundio, they're in like Flynn. It's easy, it's peasy, it's lemony squeezy. It's the same thing. There is no real reason to translate or get all tangled up. The continuous progressive tense is the same in English as in Spanish. I hope at this point all your students know that the verb to be is ser y estar, number one. And then just teach them that the gerund, the verbs in Spanish end in ando and yendo, all they do is end in ing in English, ing. And one of my favorite songs, which I'll put up later, is Singing in the Rain. There are lots of songs that illustrate the verbs. But anyway, so all you're doing is adding the pronoun, whatever tense of the verb to be you want to use, the gerund of the particular verb. That's it. There ain't no more. So that's what I do. I review the gerund. Many times, many people, I teach adults, and they either never really learn grammar well or they forget it. People forget. I forget. I forget all the time. So there you go. It's very simple. Now, I do it very simple at first, basically to show people that it is simple. Now, the question is, as I repeat, like I'm like anybody else. The idea is to memorize and then to put it into practice. And that's what the trick is. So anyway, here's a present progressive. Talking. Yo estoy hablando. I say, Then I have how to ask questions and how to make the negative. And then I have a story. Now, a song, Singing in the Rain. There's other songs. So that's what I do with the progressive tenses. Or if you want to call them continuous, I guess you have to call them continuous because you're teaching out of a book and preparing people for tests. Everything is modern. It's like we didn't use the word conditional years ago. Anyway, that's it for the progressive continuous tense and the gerund, etc. See you later.